YouTube, what is up? All right, doing a little maintenance on the old RZR. I hope you guys have been liking the snow videos. So this weekend I'm headed off to the Best in the Desert Parker 250. We leave tomorrow, which is Thursday. I have a couple friends racing the short course race, should be pretty awesome. And then Saturday we have my first desert race. I got my numbers up. What do you guys think about my number plate? Not bad. U999. I got the spare tire mounted. I got a bunch of things that I finished up on the build. I'm going to do another video and go over the build, but I'm pretty excited. I want to grease the wheel bearings. So I thought I'd show you guys. It's super simple. Pull the brake caliper off on the Turbo S. You have 2 bolts that hold in your little brake rotor protector / cooler. And then you have 2 bolts that actually hold on the caliper. So pretty simple. Take the wheel off, pull the caliper off, pull the cooler off, and then you just have just one washer, nut, and cotter pin. You'll notice on the nut that you've got a white mark on it, and you'll know how far to tighten it when you go back on to put your cotter pin back in. So anyways, I kind of took it out, wiped it off, got all the dirt out of there, used a little compressed air to kind of blow it all out. And then I got our little Amazon greaser. Oh, these things, what are these things, like 20 bucks? They work good. So I've been kind of greasing them. Basically what I've been doing has been, I've just been kind of putting it in, greasing it, like giving it like 3 pumps. You don't want to over grease these. You'll blow the shell out of the bearing. So give it 2 or 3 pumps, pull it out, turn it, turn it like a quarter turn, 2 or 3 pumps, pull it out, turn it a quarter turn, grease it. Do that 4 times, call it good. Definitely don't over grease it. So pretty stoked. When I got the greaser, I wanted to have a nicer grease gun. So I bought this Milwaukee. I love my Milwaukee stuff, man. It's so badass. So it really makes it just easy and awesome for all your greasing. So pretty stoked on it. I'll leak the grease, the tool, the gun. But yeah, it's really not bad. It came apart super easy. There's a little bit of play in the bearings that you can actually kind of feel in your wheel. It almost feels like it's a ball joint, but I think it's actually just the bearing, and I think it's kind of normal. I have a brand new bearing, and it has a little bit of play in it, so I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's just they're not like super precise. So probably doing some upgrades after the race. I'm super excited. Like I said, I will go over the latest updates on the rig here in a day or so, but just trying to get all my maintenance and kind of race prep ready. I'm excited and nervous to race in Sportsman, but I've got it all legal, I think. So pretty stoked. You guys track us on Saturday. We got the Can-Am, the Can-On Racing, and me. So it'll be pretty fun. I'm doing, Sportsman does 2 laps, and the pros do 3. So it's going to be pretty cool. It'll be my first race. I used to race dirt bikes in the desert, and I had a blast, but it's been a while. It's been a while. I'm an old man now, so I am stoked to get back out there and run. So it'll be me and Ammon will be my co-driver, the guy that went to Baja and was on the last snow videos. So it's going to be fun. I think she's ready. I'm going to work on her tonight for a couple more hours, and then should be good to go, guys. But yeah, anybody ever thought about greasing your bearings? It's not hard at all. Get a couple pumps in, turn it. I think it's good to do. Just don't overpack them. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Gonna be some cool race footage coming up. I'm excited. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. All right, guys. One more quick pointer. On these rear ones, the nut had actually backed off a little bit and it's hitting the cotter pin. You gotta have a good impact. I'll link my Ingersoll, which is the badass impact butt. what you actually got to do is tighten it a little bit so you can get that cotter pin out, and it takes some serious punch to do it. So make sure you got a good impact. It'll make it easy. Now the cotter pin's loose, and I'll pull it out. All right, guys, thanks.